Here at Griffiths, we're consistently on the lookout for ways to work safer, smarter and in a more environmentally friendly manner. We've had GPS machine control for 5 years with a variety of different manufacturers, but I knew there was a more efficient way of working. In 2020, by working closely with Sitelink to develop our system that would best suit Griffiths' needs, machine control and Sitelink 2 was incorporated into our system. And it's been an absolute game changer. We can now remotely access our machines from anywhere in the world to update data on the screens, check on daily productivity and diagnose faults.
Before machine control on Sitelink, we used to manually set out drainage and roadworks using timber profiles and bar rails, and the ground workers would site the rails. This obviously was very time consuming. Since developing the software, we can now see exactly where each plant is working, thus ensuring that they are in the correct place and dig into the correct depth.
This innovation means that Griffiths became the first company in the UK to run multiple sites remotely using the remote support, file transfer, automatic as-built reports and weighing reports on their haul trucks through Sitelink. By updating the Griffiths machine control fleet, Adrian has reduced his call-outs by 80% and sites are now able to work safer, more accurately and efficiently using up-to-date technology. Engineer travel time to and from the machines for design upload and surface setup has been reduced. New or amended designs can be synced to all machines.
Machine control is an incredibly useful technology that Griffiths have grasped with both hands. Using satellites in orbit 12,500 miles away, we can measure the position of this machine to within a few centimetres and compare our position to a 3D model so we know exactly where to dig and to what depth. There are many benefits to machine control, including safety. People being struck by moving plant is the second biggest killer behind falls from height. For example, we load data remotely to the machine so our engineers don't have to physically be working around the machine unnecessarily.
We first started using GPS machine control about 15 years ago. Whilst back then it was like having Pac-Man on the screen in the cab. Now with innovation and technology it's developed into a 3D model and the driver has full control. The valuable contribution from having GPS machine control is there's less people on the ground around the plant and machinery.
Our machine operators have fully embraced machine control. In fact, the comments I'm having back from the operators is, how did we manage before Topcon machine control? The benefits are proven to be enormous. At the A40, for example, machine control is helping us build this active travel road by reducing downtime, which in turn has increased productivity and decreased idle time on our plant and equipment, all helping to offset waste and carbon and build in a far more sustainable manner.
With training from Sitelink, I can recalibrate the buckets on the excavators and dozers myself, and even safely perform temporary repairs to keep the job running until a more permanent repair can be arranged. Machine control on Sitelink is definitely the way forward, as it makes life easier for engineers like me, giving more time to focus on other activities. Not only is it safer and more efficient, but it also reduces human error and the amount of materials exported and imported, which obviously means burning a lot less fuel, which is better for the environment.
Griffiths have taken the extra step by fully embracing Sitelink. Sitelink enables us to remotely access the machines from anywhere in the world with an internet connection and push machine control technology to new boundaries. In our latest exciting feature, the machines record the work that they are doing and create an as-built surface. We compare this surface daily to our original ground model so we get a daily volume report for material shifted on site. We get incredible detail from the machines that can be used to improve efficiencies on a daily basis. Automatic volume reports, along with weighing data from articulated dump trucks, really is construction in the 21st century.
We're rolling these technologies out throughout our sites, including Colwyn Bay, where we were tasked to reducing coastal erosion. By using machine control, we can place each and every blockstone at the exact angle to maximise the reduction in energy from our waves. Flood defence systems at Dovey Bridge are also built with the aid of machine control. Again, reducing downtime on the plant to ensure the project is complete as quickly as possible for the convenience and safety of the surrounding community. All in all, by embracing new technology and innovation, we're working safer, combating climate change and building for the future.